So we have created the search strings for all the search engines. In fact,
Just
I
raise,
have
just,
access for
just raise your
yes, yes,
hand.
syntax.
Just, just raise your hand so that I will see how many of you have you are ready for today's session. Very good number. So those who are not raising your hand, any specific issue that you are facing?
So no issues here. Actually, it took a long time to decide the topic with the mentor, and in this weekday since semester end is going on, we just didn't get much time. However, I'm trying. We'll be sharing soon with the mentors in the group people.
I have asked only you have to spend only 1 hour per day. Means preferably when you come back from your office or department, this 8 to 9 p.m. it is the ideal time to work on your this topic. Only spend 1 hour. 1 hour is more than enough. If you work
Yes, sir.
1 hour per day, then in 2 months of time, your manuscript will be ready.
Yes, sir. Actually, it will just take 1 or 2 couple of days to wind up from the semester end because it take a long to come back home also. So I'll just in this week only I'll wind up and will proceed further.
Sir, I've missed a few sessions also, so the connectivity is not going so well. That is why I'm lagging behind.
Yeah, you are telling, na, Sufyan Asim.
Yeah, yeah.
So, but if you missed some session, so one of our group member, my team member, maybe Dr. Arvind, Dr. Akib, Dr. Sandeep, Dr. Tarun, so any one of members should be there in your small group, 5-member
Yes,
group.
yes, yes.
So have you asked that if you face any issues?
No, sir, just because I thought I have not been very up to date with my work, I didn't even.
No, no. Whenever the question, the problem should be resolved then and there. So if you not ask during that time, then it will be staggering. Okay, at end of the day, it will look like a mountain, and you will feel lose interest, and you will not cope with the speed. So
Yes,
better you resolve the queries there.
yes, sir.
If you face any issue, so purposefully we gave 3-4 days gap so that I know that building the search strategy. So search strategy means, let me share my screen, which I was talking to you. So this
Yes,
is the most important one. Let me share.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, please.
Yesterday I talked to you regarding that I was not aware of the previous meetings, and you told me to share the topic in a and form later group. So I just added you in the group, but I did not get any reply. I shared the topic as well as that reference article also.
So I understand, but there are so many queries are coming up. I am finding little less time to answer those queries.
So
Okay, so
actually,
I hope.
you were mentioning some other person's name for the group. Can you just share the number of that person so that I can add that person in my group?
It is Dr. Arvind. Okay. So you are.
Okay.
So have you gone through those document given in the group discussion of the
Get
WhatsApp
any
group?
document. I was added late in the group, so I was not having any document with me.
I understand, but in the group, let me share the screen first. So in the group description, in the WhatsApp group description, so there is some folder is there. Okay. The Google Drive. So is my screen visible to everyone?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you look the open the group description where it is written welcome to the National Workshop Series 2023 Google Meeting link, then there is a folder shortcut. So click that folder. So if you click that folder, it will take to you, and there I think you will find some documents. Okay, so here the file name is gcph_mentors. So here you will find all my team members email ID as well as their WhatsApp number. So is this visible to everyone?
Can you resend this?
So why should I
link?
resend this? You
Actually,
can find the group.
sir, in our group, I just the previous day I just joined or added. That's why I didn't find any kind of link of.
Madam, this is available for all in the all the groups WhatsApp group, main WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir. Main WhatsApp group there is no link. Actually, the previous day I just joined.
मैडम आपको मैंने क्या बताया? आर यू एबल टू अंडरस्टूड हिंदी?
Yeah.
ओके आप अपने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप खोलो, वहां पे ग्रुप डिस्क्रिप्शन पे जाओ, ओपन किया आपका व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप,
हाँ.
ग्रुप डिस्क्रिप्शन पे क्लिक किया,
Yeah.
तो उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है?
अच्छा ठीक है. Okay sir.
नहीं क्या बताओ ना, क्या लिखा हुआ है उसमें?
Welcome to the National Workshop Series 2023 Google Meet link. This folder links is there also.
You have to click that folder link where you will find the Prospero registration document, then the checklist, then there is a Excel file, the name is gcph_mentors. So you can find the WhatsApp number and email ID of our team members who can provide you support.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
So can anyone please share your search algorithm file?
Today's topic is extract and import data from databases.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, please.
Shall I share my screen?
No, do not share your screen. You share the Word file. So let me
Fine.
show which Word file I am talking. So everybody has done this Pico file, right? Annexure 1 that will go to your manuscript. The research question with inclusion and exclusion criteria. Is my screen visible to everyone? Is this file everybody is ready? I think we
Yes, sir.
talked.
Yes.
So this file is ready. So where inclusion, exclusion, and resource question is written. So then after this, so after this, I need this file, annexure 2, the source strategy that will extract data for today's class, where you have to write specifically for the Cochrane, EBSCOHost, EMBASE, ProQuest, PubMed, Scopus, and Web of Science. Okay, so these are the 7 databases that will extract data for our meta-analysis. So is this algorithm is, for example, this is the Cochrane where we are trying to extract data for monkeypox and ophthalmic disorders. So is this ready for everyone? So जिसका भी ready हुआ है, so
Yes,
those
sir,
who
I
have, okay, so then you shared with me one by one. I will help you extraction of data, and I will demonstrate for one, and you can do at your end. Basically, you can do Cochrane free of cost and PubMed free of cost. Rest, our team member will help you filling this data. So I said, I will help you. How can you extract data from the PubMed as well as Cochrane? And the rest of the database like ProQuest, Scopus, Web of Science, that our team member will help you for data extraction, but you need to write this algorithm, which Dr. Akib explained very well in 2 classes.
Sir, should I share?
You can share in the WhatsApp also.
Okay, sir.
WhatsApp small group, na? Don't put in the larger group. Okay, share in your small group.
Sir, in the small group, I have shared it.
Right now?
Yes, sir, right now, 8
Rekha.
o'clock.
Name is Rekha, HIV.
No, sir,
Self-test.
my name is Priyanka.
Able to see your Priyanka file.
Priyanka, MIYCN.
Priyanka, I got it. Okay, so let us please everyone focus on Priyanka's. We'll take this as example.
देखो सर ने क्या बोला है कि मैं म्यूट करो ना.
So you are not using our format, Priyanka. You created one format. Then again, it will be look at in 2 databases how many pages it is. It is already 3 pages.
Sir, your format.
This format. So this is the format that we prepared because you don't need to do extra labor. If you fill in this format, then it will go directly as a supplementary file in your manuscript.
Sir, where is that format? I couldn't.
If you have not find this format, let me share this format. Okay.
Yes, sir, this format is not with us.
Have you asked to anyone of our member when Dr. Akib shared this, discussed this? I think he shared this in the group I have seen.
Sir, I too prepared how Dr. Akib taught us in the class, and in that thing I prepared it in the Word file.
It is okay, no issue. Let me share it again.
क्या मंगा
So those who are attending this session, please download from the main group Annexure 1 and 2. Okay, I will post this in the this annexure also in the folder, that the Google Drive folder. Those who are not attending the session, they can extract from there. So do not write thank you, because it will be again there are so many messages. Just download it. Do not write thank you. So Dr. Arvind, are you there?
या तेरे को करना है उससे मीटिंग डॉक्टर से
Dr. Arvind.
बात करनी पड़ेगी ना फिक्स नहीं किया अभी उसने कहा था बात करना मेरे से कर ले किससे बात करने के लिए उसको बोल रहे मम्मी मीटिंग में है तो आप
हेलो
फिर आने तो कल कर लो मैंने उसको लिख दिया सो रही है वो
फाइव
हमें को डिस्टर्ब नहीं चाहिए
You're not audible.
I'm not audible. So Priyanka, are you able to hear me?
But previously we couldn't hear you.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Now
So
I'm able to hear. Yes.
okay, so I will start from fresh. I will give 30 seconds pause so that you can do the exercise along with me. So I said while Priyanka did the same search, she got 17,124 article. While I did it and I find 17,126. Why the two? There is difference between two articles. Any idea? Priyanka, can you please tell me why the difference there is two article?
Sir, today you have done updated the search, and might be the data is of from the previous day.
Yes, the date. Okay, you did the search on 27th of December. I did on the 28th of December. So one day we got the two article difference in the same keyword. So there are addition of two new articles in the PubMed database. So right.
Sir,
So
sir, I did the search today itself in the afternoon. So in this,
afternoon and now it has been 4 hours left. Na?
yes,
Each
sir,
time, each minute or each hour, there are data is added to the software. Okay, database. So this is the reason that the mention of this date. Okay, which date you extracted, it is the important
Acha,
part. So
28. Okay, 28. Yes, sir.
so you have mentioned 27, so that is fine. So if I got less number of articles, 17,000 say 120. So it means, so there could be addition of data, but not deletion of data. So are you getting me what I am trying to say? So this number 17,120 you got on 27th. For example, I did the same search on 30 December. So either I will get the same result or more addition, not less than this number. If I got less, it means your search term is not perfect. So everyone following me what I try to say? So how you do the search? I posted the link there. Click that link and bookmark it. Like I bookmark, see how many data. So this is my bookmark data. So are you able to see this? Okay. So in the data, if you look, all the data that I want to extract, it is there. Like clinical trial. This is Web of Science, then ProQuest, Cochrane, EMBASE, Science Direct, Scopus, PubMed. Okay. So you have to bookmark all these databases in your browser so that you don't need to type the URL each and every time. So you need to click the PubMed. Let me repeat again. In the PubMed, this is the advanced PubMed Advanced Search Builder. And you have to put your search term here, fresh search term. Or if you have built, if you have a file, then you have to just copy this. For example, I copied this. Copy this and I pasted there. Then I hit the search and I got, and you need to copy this one, this number 17,126 and put it here. So you have to put it there. So is the first step completed for everyone? Whatever search term you have created, you need to hit in the PubMed advanced search. Then the second search. The first search basically we do the population. Here the population is the refugee. The second one is our outcome measures. Here the outcome measure is malnutrition or nutrition related. So let me copy this. and paste it there. Then I hit the search. So here I got 4,19,319 results. So this is the outcome. This number you have to copy and put in here. Is everyone following me, or any difficulties you are facing? Then the third one. Ideally, it should be, the steps should be completed in the third, but since she has done in the fourth step, it will complete in the fourth. But ideally, it should complete in the third step. So I copied and pasted there. Then I hit the search. Then I find 17,463 results. Let me see. Same 17,463. There is no addition or deletion. Now I have to club all these three, 1, 2, and 3. So this is the algorithm for 1, 2, and 3. Either you can copy it or you go to the advanced search. So here you will find all these things. Okay. So these are the three latest one. What you can do, you can add to query. Then add with and add with and. Then hit the search. So you got 10 results. So this 10 is the most important part. That will extract this 10. So she also got the 10 results. Now the next step is we have to import this 10. So how you can import? You can click send to. So are you able to see this icon send to?
Yes, sir.
So you have to click send to, then either citation manager. Okay, better click on citation manager. And there are two things. One is all result on this page and all results or selection. So you have to click all results. If you click all results this page, because now there are 10 articles, it can come in the same page. If you have 40, 50 or 100 articles, it will not come in the same page. There could be 2 or 3, 4, 5 pages. So better always select all results. So is this okay, everyone? Okay, so click all results, then create file. So now your file is downloaded to your download folder. So now what I'll do, I will go to my Mendeley. So is this clear, everyone? The extraction of data from PubMed, we did a search. In our first search, we completed the search in 4 steps. In the step 1, we extracted data for the population, which includes 17,124 articles. In the second search, we got 4,19,310 articles. And in third search, we got 17,463 articles. And when I combine all this, we got only 10 articles. So now it is possible for a human being to screen these 10 articles in say 2 days or 3 days. So if I give you these 17,000 articles, you cannot search. Even in 1 month, these 4,19,000 you cannot search, but 10 articles can be possible, right? So now we have to extract these 10 articles to our database. Then you open the Mendeley, and hopefully everyone has created their group, the Mendeley group, where especially you and your mentee should be there, your who will help you in the data extraction. So you create a folder. Okay. So in the group, for example, I will click create a folder. So I will name this folder as a demo, okay, or Priyanka. So hit. Now I need to import this data. So click on file, then import. So this is the file PubMed under 5 and open. So now all these 10 articles has been added to my database. From the PubMed, only one database that we extracted data. So similarly, we'll extract data from other database. So is this clear to everyone how you can do a search using PubMed, and then after search how you can extract the data to your PubMed?
So, sir, we have to in the PubMed we have to send it to citation manager and download them, and then come to Mendeley and then import that data.
Yes, right.
Okay.
So you do with me, otherwise you will forget. Once
Yeah,
you
okay.
do this step, if any issue, because we have another 1 hour, so everyone should know how to import data at least from PubMed.
Sir, you please repeat this Mendeley desktop import data.
Okay, so let me do again fresh. Those who are not following. So this, I think, arriving these 10 results, everybody can come to this. Okay. So now this in this search, we got a 10. It could be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So once you got it, you click the send to. Click on send to. Then there will be 4 options. One is clipboard, my bibliography, collections, and citation manager. So we need to click on citation manager. Okay, once you click citation manager, by default PubMed saved into the PubMed 5.nbib file format. So click on this citation manager. So once you click, then click on all results. Don't, by default it will come all results on this page, but better always click all results. Then click on create file. So if you see in the download, there is a file downloaded. Look at my bottom of my bottom left corner, the file is downloaded there. So right, once this file is downloaded, then open your Mendeley desktop, create a folder name. For example, this is a demo class. So I created the folder name of Priyanka. Okay. Then once it is created, let me delete this, or let me delete this folder and do it again for you. So now this is the folder I am deleting. Just I will hit the delete icon in my keyboard. The folder is removed. So let me create how you can create the folder. Okay, so this is the click create a folder. I name it Priyanka. Hit I look at this is the empty file. So I need to add the data here. So I'll click the file. Okay, then click on import. And you can select the RIS or a bib text. Because we extracted data from the PubMed, look at the PubMed citation file. Click on PubMed citation file. Then it will show in your download folder. So this is the folder and click on open. Now all the data appear to your Mendeley. So is this clear, everyone?
Sir, one little confusion. I created the folder, and but how to import the import icon is not coming in Mendeley desktop, sir.
So click on file. Look at the top right corner. Top right corner, there is
Yes,
file,
yes, yes,
edit,
sir.
view,
Yes, sir.
tools, help. So
Import.
click on file.
Yes.
Then there is an icon called import.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Then after import, click on beep text or RIS, anyone.
Okay.
Okay. So then once this will come, because it is not showing, once you click on beep text, it is not showing in this download because our file name is PubMed file. Then click on the PubMed citation file.
Okay.
Okay. So once you click on PubMed citation file, then that file will appear in the top, which you downloaded. Then select that and open. Now it will open. Right? So Priyanka, are you done this?
Sir, I have done this, but I am not able to search my file in the
Yeah.
Mendeley. Import
Not
may
able.
I have done this bib text, and after that I am not able to find my file where it is.
Therefore, you will not able to find. So what you can do, you need to choose. Okay, you need to look at the file name.
File name.
Then there is a beep text. Click
Yes,
on
sir.
that small arrow. Click that on the small arrow, and once you click that, then many things will come. Okay, the
Yes.
RIS, EndNote, text, Zotero, Obit, and
सब तो
PubMed
लिख रहा है.
citation file. Click the PubMed citation file because we have extracted data from PubMed.
Sir, PubMed citation file is not coming. Where it is? I don't know.
Share your screen.
Okay, sir. कैसे करना है share?
शेयर करो आपका स्क्रीन.
समझी.
अब देखो नीचे शेयर आइकन होगा एक.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Click on that share. Once you click that share, in your left side, select screen 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then click on share.
Yes, sir. हो गया ऐसा करना.
ये तो कुछ और ही आ गया.
आ गया. ओके. तो ये आपका हो गया. अभी आप मेंडले खोलो.
सर मेंडले कैसे ये कर. सर मेंडले तो खुला हुआ था.
ओपन करो अभी मेंडले.
यस सर, मेंडले ओपन कर दिया सर.
कोई नहीं दिख रहा है. आपका ब्लैंक दिख रहा है स्क्रीन.
ये दिखेगा कैसे समृद्धि? ओहो. समृद्धि ये दिखेगा कैसे?
आप जब
शेयर
स्क्रीन
करके
अपना
और
शेयर किया ना, let me, when you share your screen, you have to click on screen 1. देन आपका सारा स्क्रीन जो जितने भी स्क्रीन होगा सब दिखेगा. अदरवाइज इट विल शो ओनली वन स्क्रीन.
स्टॉप करना. स्टॉप करो.
स्टॉप करो. स्टॉप शेयरिंग.
जहाँ पर भी. अरे ये तो वही है ना.
ये
वेबएक्स.
पता नहीं कैसे हो रहा है.
Anybody is facing this, also you can share your screen so that I can guide you.
वेबएक्स है कहाँ?
हो गया सर. आपने जैसे बताया वो फाइल नेम चेंज कर देने से सर्च में हो जा रहा है.
हाँ हाँ हो जाएगा.
स्टॉप शेयरिंग. हाँ जी. अब करो तो शेयर करो. शेयर. अब
क्या करना है?
अब मेंडली ये रहा मेरा मेंडली.
वो नहीं करना होता है ना. भी ऐसे गूगल क्रोम करते हैं.
गूगल क्रोम से नहीं होता शेयर ना. मेंडली मेरा ये रहा मेंडली डेस्कटॉप. शेयर करो. हाँ जी.
आ गया ना.
यस सर.
आपने प्रियंका का फोल्डर क्रिएट किया है, राइट? देन अभी क्लिक ऑन फाइल. बाहर पे क्लिक करो. अभी व्हाइट स्पेस पे क्लिक करो पहले. हाँ. ओके, नाउ क्लिक ऑन फाइल. Okay, then import चूज करो. हाँ. सो नाउ देखो आपने बीप टेक्स्ट चूज किया था, बीप टेक्स्ट आ गया, लेकिन हमारा जो फाइल था वो पबमेड का फाइल था, राइट.
Yes,
सो
sir.
क्लिक ऑन
Yes,
दिस, यहाँ पे छोटा एरो है देखो जहाँ पे बीप टेक्स्ट लिखा हुआ है, एक तो फाइल नेम.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
हाँ,
sir. Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे क्लिक करो एंड क्लिक द पबमेड साइटेशन फाइल.
Open.
ओके, रुको, आए कहाँ आया आपने, कहाँ डाउनलोड पे नहीं किया ना, डाउनलोड सिलेक्ट करो, यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड में डाउनलोड पे जाओ. हाँ
Okay,
देखो
अब आ
आपका
गया.
आ गया. अब सिलेक्ट करो, ओपन करो.
मेरे को ठंडा चाहिए, मुझे आता है, चुप रहो ना.
ठीक है, ये आ गया. ये
Yes, sir.
जैसे आ गया आपका, नाउ यू वांट टू सेंड दिस डेटा आल्सो टू योर मेंटी, मींस योर को colleague who can help
Yes,
you
sir.
data extraction. So for
Yes.
that every time you need to click on sync. There is icon called sync, देखो दो arrow है ग्रीन कलर का,
Yes.
help से पहले.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This
So
one.
you click on sync. So once you click this sync, then this data will go to cloud and it will also go to your shared folder, shared group. लेकिन अभी यहाँ पे नहीं जाएगा, आपने जहाँ पे शेयर किया था ना वहां पे जो प्रियंका MICYN, वहां पे ऐड करो, दोबारा क्लिक करो. हाँ, नाउ अगेन इंपोर्ट दिस, क्लिक ऑन फाइल.
Point. Okay, import.
आप यहाँ पे करोगे तब जाके जाएगा, वहां पे तो मैं बस बता दिया आपको.
ठीक है सर.
ऊपर सिलेक्ट करो फाइल का नाम पबमेड, देन ओपन, देन क्लिक ऑन सिंक. सो हु इज योर मेंटी हियर इन दिस ग्रुप, आपके साथ कौन काम कर रहा है?
मेंटी है डॉक्टर मोनालिसा साहू.
डॉक्टर मोनालिसा, आर यू हियर?
मेंटर, शी इज अ मेंटर. मेंटी इज डॉक्टर
मेंटर
संजीव.
ऑल्सो.
मेंटी,
मेंटर
सेकंड मेंटी इज डॉक्टर संजीव.
संजीव कुमार मिश्रा.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Okay, so now you open your Mendeley and see whether this data is coming to you or not.
Sir, it is refreshing, sir. I think it will come.
So
I opened
have
the
to
group.
click you have to click the sync also. So whatever data Priyanka added here in that folder, Priyanka underscore MIYCN. So the same data it will also visible in your system. Dr. Mona Lisa, are you here?
sir, she is my mentor.
नहीं, उनके पास भी चला जाएगा ना, दोस्त हो आप. ये जो फाइल है, आपने जो फोल्डर ग्रुप बनाया, इनमें से
Yes.
आपका मेंटर भी होगा, आपका मेंटी भी होगा, मैं हूँ, और हमारा टीम का एक मेंबर भी होगा, और every
sir,
5
Doctor.
members should have access to this data now.
Yes.
So is this clear, everyone? How you can create a group in the Mendeley, how you can import data from PubMed and add it to that folder so that this data will be visible to everyone. Anybody facing problem, I can repeat also. Please ask me.
ये सारे steps मुझे देखने होंगे.
Sir, this is Dr. Deeksha. Sir, can I share my screen? I'm not finding the option of import. There
Okay.
is an option coming of export, but not import.
Okay. So Dr. Please share your screen. Dr. Diksha, please share your screen. So here you are using Mendeley Reference Manager, not Mendeley Desktop. So this is not the right one.
Okay.
So you need to download, you need to uninstall this, because this Mendeley Reference Manager, they have recently added this software, means this version. I feel that it is not compatible because they have to update many things. So Mendeley Desktop is the stable version which can help us all those activities. So please install the Mendeley Desktop, not Reference Manager. Therefore, I am always writing Mendeley Desktop, not Reference Manager.
Okay, fine, sir. Thank you.
You please uninstall this and install Mendeley Desktop.
Sir, for Apple, there is no Mendeley Desktop. It is only giving Reference Manager. They have stopped it completely.
No. No, even for Windows also they have stopped, but they have a previous version, Mendeley desktop. Dr. Akib, my team
I
member.
had a
So
discussion with Dr. Akib, and he said that it is not working actually.
it's not working, right?
Sir,
Not
actually,
working.
in ma'am's
No.
computer, she's not able to log in. I don't know why. Like in Mendeley desktop, whenever she's logging in, it is telling wrong password. Well, Mendeley desktop is opening, but I don't know why
But
wrong.
it doesn't allow us actually. And we went back and checked all the details. So they say we have to log in through some other software to
No, sir.
connect.
No,
Actually,
madam. There are many people who are using Apple as well as they are able to use the Mendeley desktop. So the
It is
problem
Yes,
is
working
sir.
on
actually
I'm using and I'm able to
Like
download
it is
the
working on Mac.
workshop program.
Which version are
Net
you
resource
using?
slow ହେଇଯାଉଛି କଣ
It's
କରୁଛୁ
working on Mac.
ସ୍ଲୋ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଜମା hang ହେଇଯାଉଛି
It's talking.
please mute yourself. Just speak one by one. So Kavita madam, I think you have some issue with your user ID and password.
No, I
So
resolved it actually, sir. It is still not opening.
So do you have okay for this type of issues?
Sir,
So
actually for M1 Pro laptop, it is not allowing, it seems, desktop version of Mendeley.
No, it is allowing. I have M1 Pro. It is working on M1 Pro also.
It's working?
Yeah, it's working on the M1 latest chip.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, probably you have not updated your the software, because the same problem happened with me when I updated my M1 laptop. It started working.
So you mean the software update or what?
No, the Apple M1 update. Probably if you check your update center in the system preferences, and the system preference in general, if there is any update in this general, the second option is software update.
Yes.
And if it is showing some update pending, it will not work, because the Mendeley itself has updated a bit.
No, it is fully updated, sir. It
Actually, Mendeley desktop is not available for Mac.
Yeah.
Actually, it is not showing.
But
It is
it is
not showing in the
available with
website. You
me.
cannot able to download that.
Yes.
Desktop
Only the
free
reference
download.
manager is there.
Reference
the
I
manager.
have the reference manager and I have
I am able to log into reference manager and I am able to share also, but desktop is not working at all.
Yes, desktop actually download link is not there for M1 Max.
Sir, it is working with my this
okay, so
sub.
listen please. So everyone listen. So since they have stopped this Mendeley desktop, but those are the earlier version. It is there. Some link is with also some of our team member they are using. So you can get that link. The issue is Dr. Kavita is maybe some password related issue or some security problem in the where she is not able to log into that account, the desktop. So that is the issue. So to resolve that issue, you can use the reference manager if your co-worker is able to see whatever data you are there. But this Mendeley reference manager also will create problem while you do the citation.
I've sent a link. I just downloaded
I
Mendeley
saw
desktop in
that.
M1,
Yeah.
and I've sent the link in the chat so people can download.
So you can download. Otherwise, if this issue is there, then you can use the Zotero or EndNote, because we all are using Mendeley desktop, so we can resolve the query. And maybe tomorrow, what you can do, do you have any desk in your system?
Sorry, sir, which one?
Any desk, so that I can take control of. Okay, since I am not using Mendeley, sorry, Apple, I cannot help.
I usually use Zotero, so if you allow me to use Zotero, I will continue with that.
Zotero, but I cannot help you the queries because I am not using Zotero also.
Oh, okay.
I'm not familiar with the icons because this will be not be the fast exercise. We will continue this meta-analysis after one by one. Okay, so better if you so who can help you, Dr. Akib?
I already connected with Dr.
No, no.
Akib, and he
Let
helped
me-
me actually.
Dr. Akib.
Yes, sir.
आपके do you have any desk?
I will install, sir. I don't have
हाँ,
it.
any desk में आप install करके you take control of Dr. Kavita's desktop, either any desk or any other one.
Yes, sir.
Microsoft का भी एक है ना, AnyDesk is better. You install, both of you install AnyDesk so that he can help you. Just create another fresh ID.
Okay.
Uninstall everything. Uninstall reference manager and Mental desktop, whatever you have installed. So just create another Google ID, Gmail ID, and try to see whether it is working or not.
Okay, sir.
Check. Dr. Akib said
Sir, I can
update one.
see what Dr. Priyanka just
Check.
uploaded and synced in Mandy desktop, sir.
So now it is there. So now we have done the data extraction, sharing using the PubMed. Now we'll go to the next.
Sir, can I ask a query?
Yes, please.
Sir, when I am doing my search in PubMed, I am getting a total of 580 results. So, like, can I share my search strategy so that like this much is
Maybe your search strategy is not appropriate because 580 article is too much.
Yes, sir.
So better if you are getting less than 100. For a human being to screen 100 articles in 7 days or 15 days is okay. But if I ask you screen 500 articles in 7 days, it is not possible. And
Yes,
also
sir.
in meta-analysis, you don't need such lot of articles. Minimum is 4, maximum up to 25, 30. Okay. Otherwise, your forest plot will be cluttered. It will be not visible perfectly.
So, sir, how do I go about it?
So you
Shall I-
can narrow down. You can narrow down your search term, maybe the population, geography, or any specific people, whatever outcome or your population, you narrow it down.
Okay, sir. Like I have taken, like our group has taken the topic was prevalence of small for gestational age and low birth weight newborns among pregnant women with HIV. So I can maybe drop one outcome and see.
Your outcome is one. Your population is pregnant women with HIV. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Women living, people living with HIV. What is the prevalence of SGA, right?
Yes, sir.
So
I've
your
taken both
outcome,
low birth weight newborns.
maybe among the either you take one, okay, small
Okay.
for gestation age or low birth weight, and see how many articles you are getting.
Then
Maybe
it is
due to
coming as
that,
214. Is that okay?
that is fine. From 248 while you narrow it down, it will come on below 100.
No, initially it was 580. After dropping low birth weight, I am getting 214.
That is fine. Okay, no issue.
Okay,
Sir, may I ask few questions?
Yes, please.
Dr. Srikanth here. Sir, I used the strategy. I had 3 keywords like ctDNA, non-small cell lung carcinoma, and MRD, minimal molecular residual disease. So I searched them separately in the PubMed advanced search and then combined them. Can I share my screen?
Yes, yes. Please share your screen.
Sir.
We should take maximum time using PubMed because once your PubMed is done perfectly, then other database will be automatically resolved. Because PubMed is the largest database in the medicine field.
Right, sir. I got finally 50 results. This is my search, sir.
And also, just cross check. You see, initially I said, please find 1 or 2 articles that you are going to extract your data. Right? Everybody remember, I always emphasize, please first locate 1 or 2 article, then formulate your research question and everything based on that 2 article. Understood, everybody? And now see, whenever you do this search and you got 50 articles, and see now that article, that 1 or 2 article that you initially extracted, whether that is coming this 50 or not. If it is not coming, it means your search strategy also not perfect. That too also included within this 50.
Okay, based on which I created my this.
Everything, your research question, your algorithm, based on that two article only.
Right, sir.
Okay.
So I
So,
had
so,
this.
so first do one thing. Let us do a quality control check and how to remove also duplicates. So
Right,
go to
sir.
open your Mendeley.
Yes, sir. Here it is. I
No,
had
no,
created this group.
no. You stop this. Now open your Mendeley desktop.
Mendeley desktop means this
Reference management software. Mendeley
means
desktop.
this app or the on the Safari.
So you have a Mendeley desktop. This is the
Yeah.
Mendeley reference management, ना?
हाँ सर. So are you
आपके
talking
पास
about this?
आपके पास डेस्कटॉप नहीं है?
मेरे पास सर ये मेंडले का दिस डेस्कटॉप तो है सर. हाँ.
ये तो रेफरेंस मैनेजर बता रहा है ना, मेंडले रेफरेंस मैनेजर. ऊपर में
हाँ.
देखो टॉप में क्या लिखा है, मेंडले रेफरेंस, मेंडले आर.
हाँ.
इज इट डेस्कटॉप और रेफरेंस मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर?
सर दिस इज.
आप उसके नीचे आरो लाओ. अब जहाँ पे मेंडले का सिंबल लोगो है उसके ऊपर पे क्या लिखा हुआ है?
मेंडले
मेंडले
डेस्कटॉप
का
सर.
डेस्कटॉप. ओके फाइन.
हम्म.
तो कहाँ है आपका फोल्डर जहाँ पे आपने ग्रुप क्रिएट किया था, वहाँ पे जाओ.
ये अभी तो इसमें डाला नहीं है कुछ सर. ये CTDNA MRD करके मैंने ये किया है. सेल आई इंपोर्ट दैट डाउनलोड कर लिया है सर मैंने.
नहीं, आप मुझे बताओ
हाँ.
वेयर इज योर ग्रुप नेम. ग्रुप नेम कहाँ पे है आपका?
ये वाला ग्रुप CTDNA MRD करके सर.
कहाँ पे? ये तो माई पब्लिकेशन है, उसके नीचे कहाँ पे? ग्रुप
सर
कहाँ पे है?
नहीं सर यहाँ इज इट विजिबल टू यू? CTDNA MRD करके सर यहाँ ग्रुप्स के
नहीं,
नीचे.
हमें बस तो माई पब्लिकेशन दिख रहा है, उसके नीचे ट्रैश.
ट्रैश दिख रहा है आपको सर? अच्छा ये नहीं दिख रहा है?
माई
अच्छा एक सेकंड.
पब्लिकेशन ओनली दिख रहा है हमें. इसका
अभी
मतलब
सर
आपका ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर है ना, आपका रेफरेंस मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर है, नॉट द मेंडल डेस्कटॉप.
इट इज राइटिंग मेंडले डेस्कटॉप. आई डोंट नो.
नहीं,
It
आप
is
देखो.
reference manager.
हाँ, इट इज देयर फॉर इट इज नॉट कमिंग. आप देखो जो टॉप टॉप है जहाँ पे मेंडल लोगो है, टॉप राइट.
हम्म.
एम का लोगो है ना, लाइब्रेरी से पहले.
लाइब्रेरी से पहले.
देखो नोटबुक लिखा हुआ है, लाइब्रेरी, देन मेंडल लोगो. नोटबुक.
कहाँ पे? कहाँ पे सर?
ऐड न्यू है ना, प्लस ऐड न्यू.
हाँ हाँ.
उसके ऊपर पे देखो मेंडले लोगो है.
हाँ लोगो नहीं है सर मेरे में तो. मेंडले डेस्कटॉप लिखा हुआ आ रहा है.
में दिख रहा है ना मेंडल लाइब्रेरी है, वही जहाँ पे आपका कर्सर है.
हम्म.
वहां नीचे आओ जहाँ पे ऐड न्यू था. हाँ, वहीं पे जहाँ पे आपने कर्सर रखा उसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है? मेंडल रेफरेंस लिखा हुआ है.
खाली ऐड लिखा है सर और ड्रॉप डाउन है बस इसमें तो.
तो आप जो शेयर कर रहे हैं हमें वही दिख रहा है. तो चलो, इसीलिए हो रहा है आपका. मुझे ग्रुप देखा हो ना, कहाँ पे आपने ग्रुप क्रिएट किया था?
करते हैं.
मैंने सर
नहीं नहीं सर, क्या हो रहा है कि ये जो मेंडली का लिंक जो दे रहे हैं ना, तो उसमें सर डेस्कटॉप दिखा रहा है वो डाउनलोड के टाइम, लेकिन वो जब इंस्टॉल कर रहे हैं तो वो रेफरेंस मैनेजर में ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जा रहा है. वो पुराने वाले लिंक से करने से
हाँ राइट
डेस्कटॉप ही
राइट
हो रहा है.
करेक्ट.
हाँ.
तो ये जैसे सर मैंने सफारी पे उसका जो लॉगिन पेज है वो भी खुला हुआ है मेरा, मतलब मेंडले दिस थिंग.
आप कोई भी ग्रुप देखा ना, अभी यहाँ पे आप डुप्लीकेट कैसे रिमूव करोगे?
Oh,
हाँ
capital.
I
Just
think you're not sharing the screen of correctly. You're sharing the web page.
हाँ.
Please try to share the mentally desktop page.
Stop page.
We are seeing the web page only.
हाँ,
Minimize.
इसको मिनिमाइज करो आप.
वेब पेज को सर.
Yes.
काम करो, आप स्टॉप शेयरिंग करो.
हाँ उसको कर लीजिए.
आप स्टॉप
So do
शेयरिंग
we
करके दोबारा शेयर करो. स्क्रीन वन पे
so do
सिलेक्ट
we
करो.
get Task Manager and desktop to both?
No. You have to use the desktop, not the reference management software, because in the reference management software, there is no icon called removal of the duplicates. Okay. As well as while you do the citations, while you write your manuscript, then the reference manager will create lot of problems, while the desktop is a hassle-free software.
Okay, probably I don't have the desktop over.
No, you are sharing your web version. You please
Mhm.
minimize this and okay. Now you see there are groups here. Okay, cDNA.
हाँ सर,
Under
तो इसी में ctDNA वाला ग्रुप मैंने क्रिएट
हाँ,
किया था।
उसके ऊपर क्लिक करो आप।
जी सर, अभी कुछ ऐड नहीं किया है उसमें।
तो हाँ, अभी आपने जो 2 प्राइमरी आर्टिकल सिलेक्ट किया था उसको यहाँ पे ऐड करो।
ओके, वो तो
कहाँ पे
मुझे
वो 2 आर्टिकल?
तो ढूंढना पड़ेगा सर कहीं पे।
डाउनलोड पे होगा, कहीं ना कहीं होगा ना। उसको इधर ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप करो, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा।
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैंने क्या किया था सर कि मेरे जो मेंटर ने 4-5 आर्टिकल का सजेस्ट किया था, उन सब को मैंने इस फोल्डर में, इफ यू आर एबल टू सी,
हाँ,
ये वाला SRM में NSCLC में ये सारे सारे मैंने डाले थे, ये सारा जो है
तो
अभी
आप
देख
वहां
रहे
से लाके यहाँ पे डालो, इसी फोल्डर
हैं।
में।
अच्छा, राइट
वहां
सर।
से जस्ट कॉपी ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर लो, जहाँ पे
हाँ
आपने
जी,
डाला था SRM में करके।
सीधे ही वहां
इस
से पुल कर लो ना।
हाँ, वहां से कॉपी करके यहाँ पेस्ट करो, नहीं तो वहां से ड्रैग एंड ड्रॉप कर लो सिलेक्ट करके। देखो, आप अगर मेंडले डेस्कटॉप नहीं इंस्टॉल करोगे तो दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम विल अपीयर। तो मैं
अच्छा
हमेशा
सर,
सबको बता रहा हूँ कि मेंडले डेस्कटॉप, मेंडले डेस्कटॉप, मेंडले डेस्कटॉप। क्योंकि
राइट।
अगर सब लोग सेम सॉफ्टवेयर यूज करेंगे तो वी विल सेव टाइम, अदरवाइज इट विल। अगर कोई जोटर यूज करेगा, कोई एंड नोट करेगा, कोई मेंडले रेफरेंस करेगा, कोई मेंडले डेस्कटॉप करेगा, तो 4 सॉफ्टवेयर को कैसे हम मैनेज कर पाएंगे? नहीं कर
करेक्ट
पाएंगे।
सर, मैं जब मेंडले डेस्कटॉप को मिनिमाइज करता हूँ ना, तो यही वाला मिनिमाइज हो रहा है, सो प्रोबेबली दिस इज।
सर प्रॉब्लम यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है, तो पार्टिसिपेंट डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं मेंडले का लेटेस्ट वर्जन, तो यहाँ पे हमें मेंडले का 1.19.5 डाउनलोड करना है विंडोज
मे
के
बी
लिए।
हाँ, वर्जन का इशू हो
एग्जैक्टली,
सकता
तो
एग्जैक्टली।
वो सही तरह से काम कर रहा है, क्योंकि अभी डॉक्टर उपासना ने डाउनलोड किया एंड इट इज वर्किंग प्रॉपरली सर।
तो डॉक्टर SP सिंह सर, आप अनइंस्टॉल कर दीजिए अपना मेंटल रेफरेंस मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर। आप देखो टॉप में क्या लिखा है, मेंटल रेफरेंस मैनेजर, राइट। सो ये सारा इशू जिसका हो रहा है, कल कल आप आइदर मेरे साथ, नहीं तो डॉक्टर आकिब या डॉक्टर संदीप, आप किसी एक को एक के साथ आप कनेक्ट करके ये इशू सॉर्ट आउट करो। लेट अस प्रोसीड दिस।
है। राइट सर, अभी कर लेते।
Sir, I have a query, sir. Can I
यस
ask?
प्लीज।
Sir, if in the Picot format we have selected only a single type of study design, then can we filter it in the PubMed search, or we will do it later on?
Single type of study design means if it is your RCT, then you have to focus RCT. If it is not RCT, if it is observational study, you can include case control, cross-sectional, prospective cohort, retrospective cohort. All these things can come under the observational study.
Yes, sir. I am asking about the filter application of filter in PubMed, sir. Should we do
No,
that,
no,
or we should
no,
avoid?
no. You don't do there,
Okay.
because sometimes you miss some of the studies.
सर, आपका मेंडले डेस्कटॉप वैसा ही दिखता है ना जैसा हमारा दिख रहा है?
Mental, if you install Mental Desktop, it will be same for everyone, because I am using Mental Desktop since more than 15 years.
राइट सर।
So I am not facing a single issue. And if you look my screen, so can I share my screen? Anybody want
हाँ
to share your screen? Or anybody having difficulties importing data to your Mendeley from PubMed?
सर, one more question sir. Once
Yes,
we
please.
create the group, like I got 50 result after searching the advanced search, and if am I supposed to add all the like EMBASE search or Cochrane search or whatever search I do, everything will be added in the same group, or should
Exactly. We will add everything to that same group.
uh,
And for example, the 50 article that you got from PubMed, and
right?
say 70 article you got from EMBASE. So there could be some article duplicate there,
Right,
right?
right sir.
And we need to remove those duplicate in the PubMed. Let me see.
remove
me share my
internal
screen.
duplicates.
So there is a icon called remove duplicates.
Right,
So if
sir.
you click that, then it will remove the duplicates.
Correct, sir.
So if you click on these tools, there is an icon called check for duplicates. Right?
Right.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
So now our next step is, the first step is we have to import data from all database, PubMed, Scopus, Web of Science, Cochrane, EMBASE. Then we'll click check for duplicates. So it will remove all the duplicates. So in a single click. Earlier, people used to spend more than weeks or months to remove those duplicates. So which can be done with just a single click.
Right.
Okay, so I am telling this for this is a free version of Mendeley, so everybody can use this. However, removing these duplicates will use the Rayon software.
Okay.
So, but everybody should know how to remove duplicates using the Mendeley. So, is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So everybody now able to extract data from
Sir,
PubMed and import
sir,
it to
this
your
is from
Mendeley.
tools.
Yes, this is from tools.
Oh.
Okay. So testing whether this is working or not, the best idea is first you import that two primary studies to your group folder. Then import data from PubMed and see whether that the two that you have installed, it is already there or not. And remove that duplicates by clicking the tools, remove duplicates. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes.
Those who have installed imported data, now add that file, primary file, to the same folder and check whether it is able to removing the duplicate or not. सबको समझ में आया या मैं दोबारा बताऊं? आपको चेक करना होगा कि आपका ये जो डुप्लीकेट रिमूवल काम कर रहा है या नहीं करना है. कैसे करोगे? आपने पहले जो दो आर्टिकल सिलेक्ट किया था, वो दो आर्टिकल को ऐड करो, either before adding the main data or after adding the main data. Now see whether that two article is coming under your scanning, means जो source आपने किया PubMed से, whether that two article is coming or not. If it is coming, then your search strategy is appropriate. Now next step is remove the duplicates. That two or three, whatever primary article you have added initially, you need to remove by clicking tools, then check for duplicates. So if I check, it says no duplicates found in this Priyanka folder because there were only 10 articles we imported. We have not added anything. Right? For example, let me add one manually. Okay, you should know how to add manually. For example, this is an article. This is the DY number. Okay. Now I'll go file, add entry manually. So you also know, say how I am adding the article manually. Now I will save. So now see the McNen, the risk factors for acute childhood diarrhea. So there are two articles, the same. This is the duplicate. This one and this one. Now let me check tools, check for duplicates. So you see, these are the duplicates they found. Now I will merge this. Right? I will click on confirm merge. Now all duplicates gone. There is only the risk factors. So did you notice how I create a manual duplicate file and remove using the check for duplicates?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, I got one problem. Few of the articles that I had selected primarily, they are not in the final PubMed search list. So I have done some I mean something wrong is there in my search, no?
There is something wrong. Either these the primary article which you have selected, it is not indexed in PubMed. It could not be if it is your if the journal name is Lancet, BMJ or good quality journal, it should be indexed in PubMed. If it is indexed in PubMed, it should come in your scanning.
Right, sir. I don't know why some are not there.
So have you taken the keywords from the abstract page? For example, this is the article. Let me open.
No, sir. Actually, I just I mean thought these are the keywords and I should search with them.
Look at these are the author's keyword. For example, this is the child, cross-sectional studies, diarrhea, drinking water. So you have to check at least any one of the keywords from this, like refugee, okay,
Right.
refugee camps. These are the keywords for this article. So you need to pick these keywords while you build your search strategy so that this will come.
Okay, sir. Okay, actually I didn't copy those keywords.
How you build your search strategy? Where you got your keyword? Because your primary is that article is your primary criteria. Even developing your research question, designing your keyword, your PICO, everything will be based on their two primary articles.
Right, sir.
Search में वो primary articles should come first, then others.
Sir, actually my title was somewhere around molecular residual disease detection by ctDNA in non-small cell lung cancer. The update. So I thought 3 words are there: non-small cell lung cancer and ctDNA and molecular residual disease (MRD).
Just check the keyword given by the authors and add it there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So can I ask?
Yes, please.
Sir, I had added primary study in the Mendeley previously, and now with your guidance, I have imported 79 articles there. And then I checked for the duplication going to the tools. And I found that it was written, no duplicate study was found, but I could see that study over there.
Then there could be something some mismatch is there. Your manual entry and the imported file.
Okay.
Okay, maybe in the title. How you added the manual that two articles.
Before we were taught how to put the file manually, I just added by going to the citation from the PubMed. I added 4 studies. And now with 79 studies are imported just now, and I just checked the tools. And
Okay,
it was
so
written
can you
no
please
duplicate study was found, but I could see that primary study in the list.
Can you please share your screen?
Sir?
Can you please share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Please share.
So can you see?
Rekha_HIV, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So show me which one you added manually. ये जहाँ पे PDF symbol है, this one.
So ये वाला.
वहाँ पे क्लिक करो आप. Then ये आपका राइट साइड में जो विंडो खोला है उसमें नीचे आओ आप. राइट साइड में ये जो एरो है ना, हाँ, आप और थोड़ा नीचे. हाँ, यहाँ पे देखो DY लिखा हुआ है.
Yes, sir.
DY के पास एक छोटा सा सर्च आइकन है.
ये वाला.
हाँ, वो उसमें क्लिक करो, सर्च के ऊपर. हाँ. ओके. अब देखो PMID के पास एक सर्च आइकन भी है.
Yes, sir.
उसमें क्लिक करो, छोटा सा जो सर्च आइकन है. Just wait for the green tick. Okay. Now come down. और थोड़ा नीचे आ जाइए. हाँ, हो गया. Now click on sync. सिंक है ऊपर,
सिंक पे किया सर।
just wait. Okay, now go to tools. Check for duplicates. Okay, it should come. If it is not coming, now click on author's name. Authors.
ऑथर्स कंपनी
टॉप में है ना ऑथर, टाइटल, देन ईयर, पब्लिश्ड। अब जहां से शुरू हो रहा है आपका डेटाबेस, ऊपर में देखो इधर,
सर।
जहाँ पे ऑथर्स का नाम लिखा हुआ है, ऑथर्स,
ये वाला।
टाइटल, नहीं, हाँ, उसमें ऑथर्स है ना, सबसे टॉप में ऑथर्स है।
हाँ जी सर।
हाँ, वो ऑथर्स के ऊपर क्लिक करो। हाँ, ओके, गो टू, स्क्रॉल इट अप। अब सबको पूरा टॉप में जाओ। ए से शुरू हो रहा है या कहाँ से, जेड से
हाँ
शुरू हो
ए
रहा है,
से
देखो।
शुरू हो रहा
ए से शुरू हुआ तो
है।
यहाँ
हाँ
से
ये
आप
चढ़
चेक कर
गया।
सकते हो। कहाँ यहाँ पे दोनों डुप्लीकेट आ रहे हैं, कहाँ पे आ रहे हैं डुप्लीकेट?
नहीं आ
ये
रहा
तो
सर।
नहीं तो आ रहा है, तो आप कैसे बताया कि डुप्लीकेट है, लेकिन आपको नहीं डिटेक्ट कर रहा है?
नहीं नहीं, नो डुप्लीकेट दिखा रहा था।
तो वही
पहले
मैंने
भी
आपको
ऐड किया था,
आपने
दोबारा भी ऐड किया, बट उसके बाद
नो
भी आ रहा था नो
नो
डुप्लीकेट।
आपने बताया कि आपका है स्टडी, लेकिन वो डुप्लीकेट नहीं शो कर। आप देखो ना यहाँ पे, कहाँ पे देखो, आप ऑथर का नाम आ गया ना, अभी अल्फाबेटिकली हमने ऐड कर दिया,
हाँ
तो
जी
जहाँ
नहीं
पे
आ
डुप्लीकेट होगा वहाँ पे दो दो दिखाई देगा पास पास।
रहा। इट इज नॉट
ओके,
देयर।
अभी आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ। आप किसी के ऊपर क्लिक करो, हाँ, उसके ऊपर क्लिक करो आप, HIV सेल्फ टेस्टिंग रिस्क। ओके, नाउ गो टू, कम डाउन, इधर जो राइट साइड में जो विंडो आया, उसके उसमें आओ, आ जाओ आप, और नीचे आओ। ये जो DOI को कॉपी करो, DOI के ऊपर कर्सर रखो, उसके ऊपर और थोड़ा, हाँ, कॉपी कर लो उसको, कॉपी, कंट्रोल C। ओके, हाँ, नाउ गो टू फाइल, ऐड एंट्री मैनुअली, क्लिक ऑन ऐड एंट्री मैनुअली।
ऐड एंट्री मैनुअली कहाँ है?
नीचे आओ, नो उसके ऊपर,
ऊपर
ऐड एंट्री मैनुअली को भूल गए, वॉच फोल्डर के नीचे है, नीचे, हाँ। अब DOI जहाँ पे है उसको पेस्ट करो,
यहाँ पे।
हाँ, देन सर्च करो, उसके पास जो सर्च आइकन है, नहीं, कहीं गलत कर दिया उसको, इधर ठीक से कॉपी नहीं किया। एक काम करो, PMID को कॉपी करो, PMID यहाँ पे खुला है ना, उसको कॉपी करो, इसको कैंसिल करो, पहले, हाँ, कॉपी दिस PMID। आप इसको सिलेक्ट क्यों करते हो, उसके ऊपर पे रख के तो डायरेक्ट कंट्रोल कंट्रोल C करोगे।
ओके,
हाँ, देन गो टू फाइल,
ऐड एंट्री।
यस, नाउ PMID जहाँ पे लिखा है वहां पे करो, उसके थोड़ा सा राइट पे करो क्लिक, हाँ, नाउ सेव करो, सेव, नाउ क्लिक ऑन सिंक। ये मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कि हाउ यू कैन रिमूव द डुप्लीकेट्स। हमने मैनुअली डुप्लीकेट अभी ऐड कर दिया यहाँ पे। इधर यहाँ पे दो दो देयर आर टू ऑप्शंस, यू कैन रिमूव डुप्लीकेट बाय सॉर्टिंग इन द अल्फाबेटिकली। अभी दो आ गया ना अल्फाबेटिकली व्हेन यू सॉर्टेड। ओके, अभी मैनुअली दिख रहा है कि देयर इज ए डुप्लीकेट। नाउ क्लिक ऑन चेक टूल्स, टूल पे क्लिक करो, टूल्स। एक काम करो, इसको पहले क्लोज करो, जहां पे बता रहा है कि नो डुप्लीकेट्स फाउंड, उसको क्लोज कर दो,
कैसे
क्लोज।
करूँ?
देयर इज ऑप्शन कोल्ड क्लोज है ना,
एक मिनट।
येलो पैच जो है, येलो पैच के एंड पे क्लोज। हाँ, नाउ क्लिक ऑन टूल्स, वन सेट ऑफ डुप्लीकेट फाउंड बताया। ओके, सो नाउ click on confirm merge. राइट साइड में confirm merge है.
राइट साइड
हाँ वहीं पे.
येलो पैच में राइट साइड में, हाँ राइट साइड, हाँ
हाँ हो गया. अभी चला गया डुप्लीकेट. अभी नाउ क्लिक ऑन सिंक. इधर सिंक और क्लोज. क्लोज भी करोगे तो वो चला आएगा, आ जाएगा. क्लोज कर दो. अब देखो डुप्लीकेट कहाँ पे है, नहीं है. ठीक है. So now we created artificially one duplicate file and we removed that duplicate using the check for duplicate. So now everybody understood how you can remove your duplicates?
सर एक छोटा सा क्वेरी.
Yes, please.
Sir, like you suggested that the original articles you based your research on, you have to look for the author's keyword. So do I need to copy the keyword suggested as in the paper and paste that
Better
keyword?
always, because if you are everything will be based on these two primary paper, better you use those keywords while you design your PICO. Okay, ये जो number 1 PubMed का 1, 2, 3 जो हम कर रहे हैं, so that keyword should be there in any one of these, so that it will pick that article.
Okay. Okay. So just copy करके paste कर देना होगा या separately उन keywords को arrange करना होगा सर?
नहीं अरेंज करना होगा. वहां से कीवर्ड आपको पता है कि फॉर एग्जांपल कितना 4-5 लेटर होगा वो कीवर्ड. आप उसको टाइप कर लो. कॉपी पेस्ट क्यों करोगे?
करेक्ट सर.
क्योंकि फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे लिखा है एक्यूट कोरोनरी सिंड्रोम. सो अगर ये कीवर्ड उसी आर्टिकल पे था तो वहां से डायरेक्ट यहाँ पे लिखो. पिक इट देयर एंड राइट इट हियर.
Like sir, this it is suggesting in the NLM this neoplasm non-small cell lung star diagnosis.
Yes, you take that.
Okay. So this I'll have to base my search based on these keywords, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Instead of writing on your own those keywords, better you take from those two articles.
Okay, sir. Right. Got it.
हम अपने दिमाग से क्यों लगाएं जो भी हमें ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइड किया हुआ है कीवर्ड.
जी सर.
So everybody understood what we discussed now with Dr. Srikant?
I have one doubt, sir.
Please.
May I?
Yes, please.
Sir, I am using this Mendeley desktop, but that option of tool is not there in my Mendeley desktop, sir.
Again, sir, same question. If you are using desktop, can you please share your screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Share your screen. Either you are not using desktop, you are using the reference management.
Sir, I'm using desktop.
Okay, please share your screen.
Yes, sir. 1 second, sir.
Sir, I got the answer to this question probably.
The Dr. Ilan sir just now shared the screen, and same thing I am seeing. He's also not having that thing.
Please unshare. Who is sharing now the soft strategy PubMed? Please unshare your screen. Whose screen this is?
What is there, sir, in the screen?
It is saying acute coronary syndrome.
No, it is not. Somebody else.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
So let me please unshare this screen.
Okay, sir.
ये किसका स्क्रीन? आपका स्क्रीन है. इसमें क्वेश्चन है आपका?
No, sir. No, sir. It's different question.
You unshare it so that somebody can share the screen.
Sir, actually, what happened in when I opened that Mendeley desktop, you said actually in M1 MacBook it is on the top. Besides the Apple logo, there are tools on the completely top. Here I get all the options like check for duplicates and get site and everything.
Maybe in Apple it is something different. I am using Windows, so I am well
This is
versed.
the screen of Dr. Priyanka Chaudhary, I think.
Hey, Dr. Priyanka, can you please unshare your screen?
No, it's not mine. Acute coronary syndrome is not my question.
Who's this? Homocysteine acute coronary myocardial infection किसका screen है?
Shrikant B is it's showing shared content.
वो तो मेरा नहीं है मैडम. I'm not sure. I don't know.
Okay, anyone. So who wants to share your screen? You can share on top of this also.
Sir, my problem is different. The primary article I selected was from NEGM Psychiatry, and it is not showing any keyword, sir.
So how come without a keyword, none of the article, whether it is NEJM,
I can
Lancet, or
I
without
can
keyword, how
share
can they publish?
I
Okay, please
can
share your
share the
screen.
screen. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
please share. Maybe they have given keyword somewhere else, not in the abstract, but there must be some keyword.
Sir, Srikant, sir,
Yes,
can
yes.
you? Okay, sir. Can you
Open
see?
the full PDF file.
Sir, this is a sir subscription based article, sir. NEGM full text essay, and when I go to that, it asks for subscription.
In that case, what you can do, you can collect this article at your. There are so many ways how you can collect either.
No,
You
it is
request.
not available in SCI Hub also, sir. I tried.
Okay. Maybe this is available at my institute, NEJM. So you send the link. I will try at my
Okay, sir.
end tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Or what you can do, you can ask the authors, write an email to authors. They will send you. They will be happy to send their article.
Okay, sir. Okay.
आप देखो कीवर्ड तो मिल जाएगा कहीं ना कहीं. आप देखो इसके नीचे आओ. आप देखो. अब पहले जो पबमेड का साइट खोले थे वहां पे देखो. क्लिक ऑन दैट पबमेड फाइल, पबमेड साइट. हाँ, नीचे आप आओ. हाँ, एक बार नीचे एक बार नीचे आ जाइए. आप देखो कहीं ना कहीं कीवर्ड होगा. और थोड़ा नीचे. और नीचे आओ. यहाँ पे नहीं है तो राइट साइड में देखो एक मेश टर्म था. मेश राइट साइड में एकदम टॉप राइट. अब देखो मेश टर्म. हाँ, क्लिक दैट.
हाँ सर, आ गया.
यहाँ से किसी से भी किसको उठाओ. ये सारा उन्होंने यूज किया है.
अच्छा.
ये था. ये क्या आपका आर्टिकल था? एंटी डिप्रेसिव एजेंट्स, एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स, यही था आपका टाइटल पे?
नहीं सर, नहीं, टाइटल था ये सिंगल डोज psilocybin फॉर ट्रीटमेंट रेजिस्टेंट एपिसोड ऑफ मेजर डिप्रेशन.
डिप्रेशन. सो आप देखो मेश टर्म पे डिप्रेशन पे क्या है. जो मेश टर्म पे डिप्रेशन पे क्या उन्होंने लिखा. डिप्रेशन रिलेटेड क्या है
सर? सिलोसाइबिन का तो ये बहुत नया स्टडी है. इसका तो और स्टडी मिलेगा नहीं शायद आपको. आपको क्या और स्टडी मिला है सर? क्योंकि
नहीं, 70 स्टडी मैंने किया है रेजिस्टेंट डिप्रेशन एंड psilocybin का.
70 स्टडीज
मतलब 70 जो है उसमें कमेंट्री भी है, पर्सपेक्टिव भी है, आरसीटी भी है, लेकिन टोटल 70 मिला जो मैंने कंबाइन करके सर्च स्ट्रेटेजी. मेरा सर्च स्ट्रेटेजी दिखाऊं क्या सर?
नहीं सर, सर्च स्ट्रेटेजी में तो मिल जाता, लेकिन आपको एलिजिबल स्टडीज शायद नहीं मिलेंगे इसमें, क्योंकि ये तो फेज 3 ही ट्रायल था ना, ये वाला जो एनईजीएम में हुआ था. तो बाकी आप देख लीजिए.
ठीक है. आप इसमें देखो जो मेश टर्म पे है ना, बहुत सारे इसमें देखो एंटी डिप्रेसिव है. इसमें किसी को भी आप उठाओगे तो आपको वो आ जाएगा.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है. ओके.
These are the keywords they have given.
Okay.
So should we
In
go
my
ahead?
case also it's not showing keywords in my Mendeley if I'm going.
No, Mendeley, in the Mendeley it will not show keyword. Keyword will show at the journal site. So without keyword, आप सोचो अगर कीवर्ड नहीं देंगे तो वो उनका पेपर पब्लिश करके क्या फायदा. आपको मिलेगा कैसे? हाउ यू विल रीड दोज आर्टिकल्स. अगर आप उनको आर्टिकल नहीं मिलेगा, नहीं पढ़ोगे तो हाउ यू विल साइट. अगर साइट नहीं करोगे तो उनका इम्पैक्ट फैक्टर बढ़ेगा कैसे. तो ऑल एवरीथिंग लिंक टू वन अनदर.
Okay. सर बट मेंडले में राइट साइड में जो वो आता है जर्नल आर्टिकल टाइप एब्स्ट्रैक्ट ऑथर कीवर्ड्स टैग्स यूआरएल, तो दिस इज ऑथर कीवर्ड्स आर लेफ्ट ब्लैंक इन दैट.
वो ठीक है. उसके लिए आपको हाँ, उसके लिए for that you need to click that search icon. DOI और PMID के पास DOI और PMID के पास में जो सर्च आइकन है, you need to click that search icon.
Okay, sir. I'm searching.
Sir, may I
Sir,
ask?
retrieved.
If you stop your asking question, then we'll proceed to other database. अभी हमने Mendeley से sorry PubMed पे we spend a lot of time. Now we need to look at other database. अगर आपका this is question anything related to other topic, you hold on for tomorrow. If your question related to PubMed and how to import to Mendeley, then you can ask now.
Sir, one question I have, sir. Sir, can I
Yes,
ask?
please.
Sir, in the PubMed, sir, जैसे कि in the PubMed I got 10 articles overall. So in the Google search, I am getting apart from the 10 articles, other articles also. Can I add it in the my Mendeley?
मैं आपको गूगल सर्च करने के लिए बोला है क्या? गूगल सर्च में आपको मेटा डाटा मिलेगा क्या?
Metadata. Okay, sir.
Metadata means the way you are importing data from PubMed. Okay, even Google Scholar मत use करो.
Okay,
Only
sir.
use this Google Scholar is just a search engine. अभी तक Google Scholar ने आपको metadata provide नहीं कर रहा है. Metadata का मतलब the way you are getting from PubMed, Scopus, Web of Science.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Nice.
Or whenever you do this, you arrange this alphabetically. Okay, like for example, you started PubMed P, then Scopus S, okay, then Cochrane C. Okay, C should come first.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let us see the Cochrane. So how many articles you got from Cochrane? 2 articles. So let us do. So some error is there.
Sir, when I removed the star mark, then the continue button came.
Okay, so let me see. Okay, 467 articles. So you got 467. It is perfect. So everyone is following. Do your whatever keyword you have given. Just do with me using the Cochrane. So click on Cochrane. So should I give the link? Anyone is facing issues finding Cochrane? Let me send the link. You just bookmark this link. Okay, so just bookmark, click on this Cochrane and bookmark it. Next time you have to just click on that, not do not type. So I posted the Cochrane link to your browser, sorry, in the WhatsApp group. Just click. So you got 56,959 articles. So 56,959. So this should be, this is perfect, fine. Now Priyanka is developed expertise creating the search term. Good. So in the third, you need to paste this. So 12,445. 12,445. So now we need to combine these three. So you got two articles, right? Now we need to import these two articles. So click on these two. So are you with me, everyone? How we got these two articles? Or do I need to repeat it again?
Kindly repeat once.
Okay, so let me repeat one. So let me go fresh. Okay, I am closing this. Okay, I need to click a tab. I need to open the Cochrane. So I have already added bookmarked. This is the Cochrane library. I click the Cochrane library. So repeat who has not done. So I will click on Source Manager. So I click the Source Manager. So now my Source Manager. So these are the things I will remove everything. Okay. So I click on Clear All. I cleared everything. So now it is empty. The number one, it is empty. So I have already created my search algorithm. So this is the search algorithm as per the PICO format. So this is my first population is the refugee. I have to select this, copy this and paste it here. Now I will click on continue. Now look at 467 article came using this keyword. Right. Now I will select on the next. I will copy this and paste in the second. And I will click on continue. Now the 500 some article came. Now I will go to my third. So this is the children. I will paste there and click on continue. Now I got 12,000 articles. Now I need to combine all these three. And I will click, I will got two articles. So is this clear everyone how you can search using Cochrane?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we need to import these two articles to our Mendeley. So for importing, you need to click on these two. I clicked on these two. Now it will appear these two articles here. And I need to import this or export these two. Look at it is showing this article also found in PubMed and EMBASE, and the second one is found only EMBASE. Are you able to see this? Means this is whatever you got it from Cochrane. If you do the same search, you will find this in EMBASE and PubMed. And the second one, you will not find PubMed, you will find in EMBASE also. And while you do this EMBASE search, you will find these two duplicates should be there. So is this clear, everybody?
Yes, sir.
So since this is two article, let us add this using manual search. So I need to this is also one way you can right click this DY, copy link address, go to your Mendeley, then file, add entry manually, paste there, and hit the search icon. And now click on save. In the Cochrane, you will not get more than 5 or 10 articles. It will be always less than 10. So now we have done the Cochrane. Let us go to another database, maybe the Web of Science.
For Cochrane, we have to add manually.
No, there is a option, but I am not able to log in to my ID. There is some issue. Okay, I will check it because since we have less time. So I just added show you how you can manual because we got only 2 articles. And most of the time in Cochrane, you will get 2, 3 or maximum 5 articles, not more than that. Because Cochrane is the smallest small universe.
Me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, I tried, but I did not find any article.
Most of the time you will find 0 article in Cochrane.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is the case. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Most of the time you will get 0 or hardly 1 or 2 article.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
May I ask, sir?
Yes, please.
Sir, sir, in Cochrane, like I have got total of 10 articles, and out of that, 2 are Cochrane review and other 8 are trials. So I have to add that 8 trials also, sir.
What you can do, you can exclude review in the filter also in Cochrane. You can filter you can exclude the review because you will not include the review one.
Okay, sir. So I
And
have to
add those 8 articles. 8
trials.
RCT, you can add that.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you,
So
sir.
Cochrane would have a meta-analysis also, so we have to include that.
Meta-analysis review that we have to exclude. Okay, so let us do this Web of Science. Okay, let me show you how can. So I have done. I will close this browser. So I will go to my Web of Science. So since the Web of Science is a paid one, so it is asking to log in. So I will log in using my PGIMER credential. Okay. So this is the interface for the Web of Science. So what I'll do, I'll click this, Control C. And I will hit the search. So it is 14,611 articles came. So I'll copy this and I will paste it here. So now the second step, I'll copy this and I will paste it here. Some error is there. So this should be error free. Okay. Now 5,30,000 articles. So now I will hit my third one. I'll go to advanced search. So this is the 3,455 articles. Now I need to add 1213. So look at all these three steps are there. I can click it here, combine using and. Okay. And we got only 13 articles. So I will import these 13 articles. I will write 13 here. So is everyone following me? How I got these 13 articles from Web of Science? So I need to import this 13 article or export. You see there is a export icon. Okay. You can click here all 13. Then export to, it has option EndNote desktop. Then I said I will export to RIS. RIS is the universal format where the Mendeley accept the RIS format. So I will click on RIS and you have selected 13 results. Okay. I will select on export. So now it is saved. So I will go to my Mendeley, the same folder, same Priyanka folder. I will import this file, import, then the RIS format. So once I check the RIS, so it will come on the top. I will click the RIS file and the databases are there. So now if I want to check, is there any duplicate between the PubMed and Web of Science? What I can do, I can go to tools and check for duplicates. So there is no duplicates. Or what I can do, I can simply click on author's name and I will see manually is there any duplicate is there or not. Okay. So if you look, so there is no duplicates. So is this clear? We completed today PubMed, Cochrane and Web of Science.
Sir, Web of Science is free to all like PubMed or Cochrane or not?
No. Web of Science is only there is two databases free. One is PubMed and Cochrane. So rest is paid. So what we will do once you give us this file, this Word file. Okay. Now I can do the search for you. I will fill this table, all this table that I filled here. I will fill this table for each one of you and I will send this file. Let me, where is Priyanka group? I will send this file to Priyanka so that they can import to their Mendeley.
Priyanka MICM, yes.
I will give this file. So that you can download it and import to your Mendeley. Right. So Priyanka, you share your screen, download this file, RIS format file and import.
Okay, sir.
Share your screen. So today we'll stop this and tomorrow maybe we can start little early so that we can complete other Scopus and other database.
Sir, I'm not able to share it.
Somebody is blocking you. Maybe now you can share. Yes. Now click on your WhatsApp. WhatsApp ऊपर है. हमें दिख रहा है आपका एडवांस जहाँ पे है उससे पहले WhatsApp है.
ये रहा.
हो गया. अब now open your Mendeley desktop. So now everybody is clear how you can search that using your search algorithm from PubMed, Cochrane and Web of Science, and how can import those data to your Mendeley file. So if this is clear, so you are done. Most of the, at least 50-60% job is done. Now today I will share you the Prisma chart flow diagram so that you can feel the most of the section till now. Also, I'll take you 5 minutes so that I will demonstrate how you can fill the Prisma. आप इतना टाइम क्यों लेते हो? अपना Mendeley खोलो, ओपन करो.
Sir, I have done it.
Okay, you have done it. Fine.
Yes,
so
sir.
let me
And I've
show
checked
you.
for the duplicates.
So this is the Prisma template that I will upload in the folder. So are you able to see this? So in the top left corner, we have written the name of the database: PubMed, ProQuest, Scopus, EMBASE, Web of Science, Cochrane, and EBSCO. So you have to write PubMed, how many articles you got finally, like 10 articles. Okay. Web of Science, we got 13 articles. And Cochrane, we got 2 articles. Like here in this source, we got 0 articles from Cochrane. So you have to write like this. Is this clear, everyone? So I will share this template to you and you will fill this. Then you have to remove the duplicate. How many duplicate you removed? You have to write it here. Okay, friends. So let us stop this meeting today and we will resume tomorrow and we will complete the rest of the database search.
Sir, by screening we mean title and abstract reading or anything else?
Exactly. Title and abstract, whether it is, I will complete every step. Okay, we are just in the first phase, first box we are doing today.
Right, sir.
Okay, then we will remove the duplicates. Then we will do the screening. So each and every whatever box you are seeing till the end. In the final we got 12 articles. So till here we will demonstrate everything. Don't worry.
Right, sir.
Thank you, sir.
But I will send you this template. You have to fill this. Those who have done this data extraction in the PubMed, Scopus, sorry, PubMed and Cochrane, you can fill this column. Yes, Daniel, you want to say something?
Yes, I was thanking you for the session and the explanation and the workshop and everything. Sorry, I came down to another state to see my family. My son has been down, but hoping, trusting God to go back tomorrow and concentrate because he's getting better. During the questions and explanations, I was a little bit lost because I understand that you were trying to kind of explain perfectly to the people that have asked questions for them to understand, but it was not in English. So
My apology. I use Hindi because when
I
in
understand, sir.
science, when you use the local language, it is more easier
Yes,
to
sir.
convey. Language
Yes,
should
I
not be a barrier.
Yes, I understand and I appreciate so much. So next time, please, some of us that are coming from this background, and I think it will do us good. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So I'm sharing this template for everyone's information. You can use this and start as soon as you complete your search.
Thank you so much, sir.
So all templates are ready for your use. So you can use it. So now you got your annexure 1, annexure 2 and figure 1. Okay, so now we have completed this. So you should not alter any structure because this will go directly to your manuscript. Keep it as it is. You need to just click on N and fill up these things. It is editable. So friends, please download that file from your WhatsApp group and use it. I hope everybody is using your Dropbox. So in your Dropbox, keep it there as a figure file.
So on humble request,
Yes, please.
sir, kindly share that figure in a mentor group also, sir, mentor workshop group.
Are you a mentor or mentee?
Mentor, sir.
So then you take it to why I should post it there. Because
Okay,
all those mentors are in the small group also, the 5 members group.
actually, I haven't been allotted any mentee so far, sir. I have even asked you last week, but so I have started by myself.
Okay, let me see if is there any mentee here who have not allotted a mentor?
Yes, sir. I'm.
You can
Oh.
take this mentor. Both
I
of
know
you
who
can
is sir.
both of you can share your WhatsApp number
Okay.
and become help each other.
This is Dr. Pallavi.
Hi, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I am also not allotted in any group.
Okay, or you been in? Can you take my number then so that you can WhatsApp me?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Oh yeah, 8220
Yes, ma'am. 8220
39
39.
3525.
Sir,
Dr.
even I,
Pallavi,
Ma'am, I am also. I have no mentor.
Could you please repeat once? 39
3525.
3525. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Can you tell me once the number, entire number?
2203935525.
Yeah, thank you.
okay. So Dr. Pallavi and Dr. Das, Mohbani
Nirmal
Das,
Sujit.
Yeah. Mobuni.
Mohbani and Pallavi, you both can help each other become mentee to each other's group.
Ji. Okay, sir.
I wish to remind that I also didn't get the second group as mentee too, and you agreed that you will be my mentor.
Myself?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us see if there any mentor, because you see, though I said I will be mentor, but I may not be able to provide you quality time. Okay, because I am occupied in so many works. There are every day I have to respond to hundreds of people. Okay, so apart from this workshop, we are also running other workshops. So I
Right.
have hardly any time. Also, I am writing my own manuscripts. So therefore, it will be unfair if I mentor you. But there are many mentors who have not yet found their mentee. So let me see if anyone can help you. You see now, we just started out
Excuse me,
right
sir.
now.
We have
Yes.
like one mentee in a group if you want to join. Excuse me, sir.
Uh-huh. Right.
I am also not allotted to any group as a mentee one.
Both can share each other, become one mentee to each others.
Okay, sir. And
Means me and Dr. Harpreet Kaur.
Yes, yes.
okay, sir.
You both can
Okay.
help each other. You see, now we have we are building our database. Now the next job will be to extract the data. So as per the criteria of the Prisma or any meta-analysis, two independent researchers should extract the data. Then the third one should verify the quality of the data extracted by the two independent reviewer. If is there any discrepancy, then it will be sorted by a senior researcher. So
Correct.
therefore, two independent researcher is required.
So it's Shrikant B.
It's
Is
Srikant Bharti.
okay, sir. Thank you. So I will share my number with you.
And
And in
we won't have.
return, everyone will get a manuscript. No? If you are a co-author, you are a first author of one manuscript and co-author of another, so it's good.
Right, sir.
Yeah.
Actually, I was looking for the people working in my area of interest, but I'm not sure.
Then in the WhatsApp group, you can ask your area of interest. If somebody is interested, they will definitely contact you. There are 120 people there.
I will have a conversation with Dr. Harpreet also, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, how I think I'll write my number here.
You
Sorry.
can
Yes, yes. You share your number, sir.
you talk
In the
privately.
chat
So
box, I'm sharing my number. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. That's it.
And today, those people who are attending this session using mobile phones, tomorrow please try to attend using your laptop so that you can work with me while I am demonstrating. Otherwise, the same thing, whatever I am saying, it is available in the YouTube also. Okay, but watching YouTube, we may not learn anything. Better you do along with me so that next time you will become expert.
So actually, in the beginning search strategy class, I missed a bit of it because of my engagements with some visitors at my home. So I feel it. Is the video available to revisit it?
So I will try to post video tomorrow,
Right, sir. Thank you
if
so much.
possible. But otherwise, Dr. Akib number is there in the group. Tomorrow, you take appointment of Dr. Akib and ask. He will help you. He demonstrated very well how to
Sir,
build this search
actually,
strategy.
he demonstrated really well. And actually, unfortunately, I had to get up time and again, so I lost the.
Sir, you see, he demonstrated, I think, probably 5 days ago. So in between these 5 days, you should have contacted him.
Right, sir.
Don't
Okay,
wait for purposefully. We are not uploading those recorded video because by looking see recorded video, it is 2 hours. So patience, किसके पास patience होगा to see this 2 hours video? Okay. So instead of if you put 2 hours quality time writing your introduction section or anything, so that your manuscript can be ready in shorter, less time period.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Now those who have confident your research question and you are confident that you will get 4 articles during this search, then next step is try to write your introduction section. Okay friends, let us close this meeting and we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you everyone.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. So one request to share Dr. Priyanka's search strategy also, if possible.
Priyanka search strategy, okay. I will post in the group, WhatsApp group.